Today we're going to be talking about 10 online businesses that you can start today. And all of these businesses that I'm going to be going through, there is no upfront investment, which is great. You don't have to have saved up a bunch of money in order to start a business. And let's be real, who doesn't like to be making money while they're just sitting at home? You could be sitting on your couch making money. You could be on your phone making money. So I'm not gonna bore you with a super long intro, so let's just get into the video. The first online business I have is starting an Instagram account. And what's great about starting an Instagram account as a business is you don't have to show your face at all. So in order to start an Instagram theme page, we call it, is you first need to pick a niche, and that's just going to be what your account is all about. So it could be beauty or health or wealth or fitness. Just make sure to pick anything that piques your interest. Now, the way that you make money with Instagram is you are posting on your feed, on your reels, on your Instagram stories. Once you grow your account, you'll have the ability to be doing different sponsored posts. You might have other accounts reaching out to you asking if you can post this beauty product and promote it for them, and they'll pay you for that. So other people will be selling shout outs that you can take up. One thing to note with Instagram is you need to make sure to keep up with posting very regularly. You want to make sure you have a schedule. So let's say you post at least one feed picture a day, at least 5 stories a day, and then a reel a day. To design your post, you could utilize a free tool such as Canva. And when it comes to coming up with different ideas for posting on Instagram, you could always utilize our best friend over here, ChatGPT. I'm sure most of you have heard of it, but it's just an AI software that you can put prompts in and it'll answer questions for you. It'll give you ideas for different things. So using it within an Instagram account would not be a bad idea. It could also help you with coming up with captions or what you want to call your Instagram account. And then also, if you want to try to boost your account, you could buy your own shoutouts as well. That way other influencers would be promoting you and your account. Now, the next way to be making money online is through running your own blog. And running a blog, honestly, to me was something that sounded really crazy. Like, how can I just be writing something and making money from it? And also, do you have to be some type of professional author or writer? To be honest, writing a blog probably does not take as much effort as you might think it would. So again, with a blog, you're going to need to choose a niche and just a topic that you want your blog to revolve around. And then you can simply use an AI software to help you write these blogs. Let's say you're running a blog that has to do with beauty again. You could ask ChatGPT or Jasper.ai to help you come up with the top 5 skincare products in 2024. Now, when it comes to a blog, if you are utilizing AI, I would encourage you to run your articles through a software that is called Copyscape, because then you just make sure there isn't any plagiarism or copyright going on. And then there's a website called Webflow that can help you get started with your blog and putting it out into the world. Now we're gonna move on to my favorite way to be making money online, which is through, you might have guessed it, a YouTube channel. In my opinion, YouTube is one of the best opportunities to be making money online right now. Now, something that got me started with my YouTube channel is the fact that my brother started making money online with a YouTube channel. So I'm constantly talking with him, trying to get new ideas and how I can encourage all of you to start a YouTube channel as well. And again, with a YouTube channel, you do not have to show your face, which is really helpful. And with a YouTube channel, you can sit in front of a camera like I'm doing right now, or you can also choose to run a faceless account, which is actually how my brother started out on YouTube, and it's how he got his first YouTube plaque. And then one of my favorite parts about YouTube is there's no upfront investment. You just kind of throw yourself out into the internet and say, hey, look at what I've created. Like everything else that I've gone through so far in this video, the first step is always choosing a niche and just choosing what your channel is about. So you could say my channel is more of a finance channel, and the sub niche of the channel would be teaching ways to be making money online. The way that you make money with a YouTube channel is you become a part of YouTube's partner program. And this happens when you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Once you hit these requirements, the ads on your videos will start making you money. When it comes to creating a video with a YouTube channel, now if you're going the faceless route, you could make a Google slideshow and talk through the slideshow with a voiceover. Or you could simply screen record your computer screen. It just kind of depends on the type of content that you're creating. Or if you're feeling a little extra crazy, you could plop right down in front of the camera like I'm doing now and say, hey everybody. OpenShot and CapCut are going to be really good free video editing softwares, and then you can use Canva Canva to help you create your thumbnails. Canva is a really helpful tool because they have specific templates for YouTube thumbnails, and they also have templates for your profile picture or your YouTube banner. There are even ways to create videos using totally just AI, and my brother does go through how to exactly do that on some of his videos on his channel, which is called Make Money Matt. And then YouTube is really great because you can partner it with a lot of the other business ideas that I'm going through in this video. For example, you could have an Instagram account that ties with your YouTube channel. And there's also even more ways that I'm going to be talking about later. And also make sure to stay tuned to the end of this video if you're interested in starting a YouTube channel. The next online business is going to be a TikTok account. And honestly, running a TikTok account is very similar to running an Instagram account. The way that you make money is simply with sponsored posts. So again, you're gonna wanna make sure to be posting regularly and just keeping your followers up to date. And a lot of the time when you start a TikTok account, the algorithm is automatically in your favor. Now, I don't know if this is something that is a fact, but it is something that I've noticed when I've created new TikTok accounts. TikTok even has its own built-in affiliate marketing program as well with their TikTok shop. So you could also post videos promoting different products throughout TikTok shop. My best advice with TikTok would be to just keep posting consistently. The next business I have is affiliate marketing, and this is a perfect business to be going into if you are lazy. Because with affiliate marketing, you're simply just promoting other people's products, so you don't have to actually create something to make money. So you can promote a product through any way that you choose, whether it be through Instagram or YouTube or a blog. And you get a link for this affiliate product that you choose to promote. And then once somebody buys this product through your link, you get a commission from this, so you make the money. Affiliate marketing is something that can be very profitable if you choose the correct products to promote. Personally, I would suggest promoting different digital products because usually these digital products go for a higher value, meaning you would get more money. My brother even has a course called To Mastery and Monetization, and it is on Digistore, which on Digistore 24 you can get a link for his course, and he told me he's paid out over $600,000 to different affiliate marketers. And now, since I've just mentioned a course, how you can get an affiliate link for a course, you could also create your own course, which brings us to our next business idea. So if you have knowledge within a specific field, whether it's teaching a new language, or maybe it's how to write a book, you're super good at writing things, you could create an online course on that skill and teach other people how to do it as well. What's really cool with an online course is you sit down, you record these videos, or you screen record your computer screen, talk through whatever you're doing, whatever you're teaching. You make these videos once, that's where all the effort goes, but then it pretty much over time becomes just a totally passive income. And I know with my brother's course, he has an online community as well, because that way he can have a closer connection with his audience while also be making some more money. So just like a YouTube channel, you could sit down in front of a camera or screen record your computer with the OBS Studio software. And just like a YouTube channel, your course can be completely faceless, which is very helpful if you don't want to show your identity. And then to sell your course, you could sell it through something like Kajabi. Next, you would need to be promoting this course, and you can do this through a variety of social media accounts such as, again, YouTube or Instagram or TikTok. Or you could even list your course on other websites and have other people get affiliate links for it. And you can do this on places like Digistore 24, like I mentioned before, or even ClickBank. Now, I talked about having an affiliate link for a digital product and how that can be a great way to make money, but you could also create your own digital product and get 100% of the revenue. Digital products can be anything like ebooks or softwares, audiobooks, different writing packs, graphic templates, or website templates. So if you know how to create a template in any of those types of things, then selling that as a digital product would not be a bad idea. A course would also be something that is considered a digital product, so you could be creating that course. And these are products that can live on the internet forever and keep making you money forever as long as you're still promoting it. You can sell these products on places like Gumroad or Kajabi. Now, you don't make 100% of your revenue with these specific websites. However, it's just a small fee, so you're not losing a crazy amount. Moving on to our 8th way to make money online, that is going to be freelancing. Freelancing is basically just working for yourself, which is any of these things. But with freelancing, you can be doing a variety of different things rather than just one thing. There are so many different gigs that you can pick up within Upwork or Fiverr. So you could be writing lyrics for somebody for a song, or you could be editing a YouTube thumbnail, editing a YouTube video, editing different photos. There's so many different things that you can do on Upwork and Fiverr and then get paid for these gigs. It could be helpful to scroll through Upwork and Fiverr and see what other people are doing and then think to yourself, could I be doing that? Could I be making money that way? And then the more and more you work on a skill and get better at it, chances are you will start making more money with whatever you're selling. Our next online business is going to be a no-code software. Now you might be thinking, I have to be able to know how to code in order to create a website or a software, but that is not necessarily true. And you can do all of this on a website that is called bubble.io. And within this website, you can create some really high quality websites and then sell these websites to other people. And sometimes people wonder, well, why would a business pay me to make a website if it's so easy to do? And that is just simply because these companies don't have enough time. So it's easier to just find somebody flat out and pay them to just do it and take care of all of it. Lastly, our 10th business idea is just a symbiotic system. And that just means combining any of the businesses that I went through in this video or other businesses as well and just doing all of them. And what I mean by this is you could create a YouTube channel and do affiliate marketing on top of that. And honestly, pairing affiliate marketing with a YouTube channel is very smart because then you could start making money with YouTube before you actually become a part of YouTube's partner program. And this is exactly what my brother did, as he started with YouTube and then later on down the line he's got an Instagram account and now he has a course that he's selling and much more. But there are so many different options and variations that you could do. You could do a TikTok account and a blog. Just there's so many possibilities. Now, if you're interested in starting your journey on YouTube and you just don't know where to start, click on this video right here. It's a video that my brother made, and just trust me, you will get a ton of value from it. He shares a bunch of different tips and tricks and just how to start getting monetized on YouTube. So click it right here. Make sure to click it. All right, bye.